In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your printer online or offline. So once your printer is connected to the wireless network of your home or office, it stays online. So if you want to keep it offline, simply go to your printer's control panel. So if you have buttons on the control panel, you can use that. If it is a touch screen printer, you can go for the wireless option there. So you will see this is the wireless button. If we press it once, it will switch off the Wi-Fi signal. Now this printer is offline, so whenever you want to use the printer, you simply have to press it again. After a few seconds, the light will stay on. That means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network and it will stay on. That means your printer is online. So this way we can make our printer online or offline whenever we want. Thanks for watching.